Rudy Giuliani was back in court in front of Judge Beryl Howell this past Friday, and just like all of his other court appearances and motions that he filed with the court just last week, it went horribly for him. Rudy Giuliani was once again found to be in contempt because he continues to defame Ruby Freeman and Shaye Moss, the two former Georgia election workers that he has to pay $148 million to, basically defaming these women, as the jury found, ruined his life, and he's still defaming these women. So on Friday, Judge Howell actually ordered Rudy Giuliani to sign a piece of paper, a legal document with the court, saying that yes, all the things I've said are false. These women didn't do what I accused them of doing. The election wasn't rigged. He has to sign that paper, and for every day he doesn't sign it, the judge is going to fine him a measly $200. But if that fine gets up there a little too high, she says, I'll just throw you in jail. How about that, Rudy? So either you sign this paper and agree that you're going to stop defaming them, they never did what you said, the election wasn't rigged, you either sign that, or you keep racking up fees until I just throw your behind in prison. Giuliani's lawyers said, listen, Judge, he can't do that because, he's appealing the verdict. So he has to maintain that these women did what he accused them of doing in order to make his case. So if he were to sign a document saying that it was all made up, then, he's going to lose those appeals, which he's going to lose regardless. So this prompted the judge to say, so what you're saying is that this defamation is never going to stop? He believed it in 2021 when he made the original statements. He believed it all throughout the trial. He believes it today. It's never going to stop? That's chilling. Mr. Giuliani does have a history of not completing his financial obligations, she added. So his lawyers are like, listen, he has to keep defaming them, or else when he appeals it, they're going to say, well, then why'd you stop defaming them? This is a real legal argument from real lawyers who really passed the bar, and that's the best they could come up with. Like, hey, if he stops lying, then people are going to know he was lying, and then he's not going to win the appeal. So, Judge, he can't sign the paper. And the judge is just sitting there shocked, like, whoa, so this defamation is just going to go on for all of eternity? Like, is that what you're telling me, the judge here? And the lawyer's like, yeah, it's pretty much the way it goes. So that's what's happening with Rudy Giuliani. And Judge Howell, if this were any other defendant in your courtroom, you wouldn't have given him this many second, third, fourth, fifth chances. You would have thrown them in jail. It's time to do that for Rudy Giuliani. If you're serious about protecting these two women and getting the defamation to stop, being put behind bars at this point is the only thing that is going to stop Giuliani. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you're not already, please subscribe to the channel. We got fresh content every day for you. And if you want to follow us across social media, make sure you check out all of the social links that we have posted in the description of this video.